story about the man that drove up to our house.
Hi, my name is Steph and I live in Minneapolis, Minnesota. We have a toddler and a preschooler in our house who love to play with the iPad, and it wasn't long before our iPad screen had broken. So I went online and looked for iPad repair options in the Minneapolis area and stumbled upon Shatter Buggy, so I thought I'd give it a try. The reviews said things like convenient, fast, affordable, and they were right. I signed on and created a profile at shatterbuggy.com. I found out that there's a local Shatter Buggy representative right in our area. His name is Matt. What was he driving?
A little small, like a little driving like taxi car.
And he came to our house the next morning, picked up our iPad, and brought it back 24 hours later. It was super easy, super affordable. I paid right on the spot, and my kid's iPad is just like new. So thanks, Shatter Buggy.
Thanks, Shatter Buggy.